In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF viewer to your website using Wix Editor. Whether you're sharing a menu, a brochure, or any other document, adding a PDF viewer can be a user-friendly way to present important information directly on your site. To get started, let's ensure you're using the Chrome browser, as it's recommended for the best compatibility and experience with the Wix editor. Once you've opened Chrome, go ahead and navigate to your Wix editor and open up the website you're working on. Now, to add a document, begin by heading over to the left side of the editor where you'll find the Add button. Click on it and a menu will appear with various options. From these options, hover over Document and select PDF Viewer. This tool is what enables you to integrate documents seamlessly onto your page, providing visitors with an interactive way to view your PDFs without needing to download them. Once you've selected the PDF viewer, a placeholder will appear on your web page. This is where your document will soon be displayed, but first you'll need to upload your PDF file. Simply click on the PDF viewer and you should see an option to upload your file. When prompted, choose the PDF file from your computer that you wish to display. Uploading may take a few moments depending on the file size, so just be patient. Once the upload is complete, your document will be linked to the viewer, allowing it to be displayed on your page. With your PDF now integrated into the viewer, it's time to make sure it fits well within your design. Click on the PDF viewer again, and you'll notice the bounding box around it, which you can click and drag to adjust the size. This ensures the document is clearly visible and nicely framed within your page's layout. You can also reposition it by clicking and dragging the entire PDF viewer box to a more suitable spot on the page. Take some time to consider how it fits with the rest of your content and make adjustments as necessary for good balance and visual appeal. After you're satisfied with the presentation of your PDF, remember to save your work. Take a moment to click the Save button at the top right of the screen to make sure none of your changes are lost. Once you're ready to make everything live, hit the Publish button to update your website. This will apply all the changes you've made and makes the PDF accessible to your visitors. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated a PDF viewer into your Wix site, enhancing the way your audiences interact with your shared documents.